You know what drives me absolutely crazy? Watching people throw money at the stock market like they're feeding coins into a slot machine while they're carrying credit card debt at 22% interest that's quietly destroying them in the background. It's like trying to fill a bucket with massive holes in the bottom and then wondering why you're not making any progress. Here's something that might shock you. According to recent data, 1 in 3 Americans doesn't have an emergency fund. The median emergency savings? Just $500. That's less than most people's monthly car payment, and it's down from $600 just 1 year ago. Meanwhile, these same people are asking whether they should buy individual stocks or invest in cryptocurrency. That's like asking whether you should buy a Ferrari when you can't afford to fix the transmission in your current car. The truth is, there's an optimal order for investing your money, and following it can save you tens of thousands of dollars over your lifetime while dramatically accelerating your path to financial independence. But most people ignore it because it's not exciting. It doesn't involve picking hot stocks or timing the market. They want the reward without building the foundation. Today, I'm going to walk you through the exact order you should be investing your money, step by step, to maximize returns and minimize risk. And yes, some of this will surprise you, especially why employer matching should come before almost everything else, and why health savings accounts might be the most powerful investment tool most people completely ignore. Before we get into the steps, you need to understand why getting this order wrong is so devastating. Imagine building a house. You wouldn't start with granite countertops and fancy lighting if the foundation was cracked and the roof was leaking. Yet that's exactly what most people do with their finances. They invest in trendy ETFs while carrying high-interest debt that guarantees their progress gets erased. The opportunity cost is massive. Every month you delay paying off 22% credit card debt is a month that debt grows faster than almost any investment you could reasonably expect. Every month you ignore your employer's match is free money you're leaving on the table. And every dollar you invest in a taxable account before using tax-advantaged ones is money you're unnecessarily handing to the IRS. Step 1. Emergency fund. Before investing a single dollar, you need an emergency fund. I know it's boring, but it's not just about unexpected expenses. It's about psychological safety. When life throws a curveball, and it will, an emergency fund prevents you from selling investments at the worst time or piling on high-interest debt. Instead of obsessing over 3 to 6 months, here's a more realistic approach. First, save $1,000 as fast as possible. Then build up to 1 month of expenses. From there, work toward 3 months. Vanguard found that people with at least $2,000 in emergency savings had 21% higher financial well-being scores than those without any savings. The money isn't life-changing, but the mindset shift is. Step 2. Eliminate high-interest debt. Next, eliminate all high-interest debt, generally anything above 8%. Credit card debt is financial cancer. At 22% interest, it grows faster than almost any reasonable investment return. Carrying that debt while investing is like running uphill with a backpack full of bricks. Paying off a 22% credit card is a guaranteed 22% return. That's better than Warren Buffett's long-term average. Use the debt avalanche method. List all debts. Pay minimums on everything. Attack the highest interest rate first. It saves the most money, period.